Is that a weave? Is that your real hair? Bundles, bundles, bundles. Hit that plug up for the bundles.
What's up, guys? So today I am back, and I don't want to have to keep saying excuse my medicine on my face, and I have some salt on my nose. It's just a quick disclaimer because you know some people just be rude in the comments, and so I just rather say it in the beginning because I don't have to go in on nobody in the comments. But today I am back, and I made a new discovery the last time I went to the beauty supply store. So you know we have our regular go-to, my favorite, the Style Factor Edge Booster, right? The Edge Control. But when I went in, I actually bought an even bigger one, not knowing that I was actually buying something else. So I brought it home, and when I finally opened it, it wasn't the same consistency. And then I looked a little closer, and it is Style Factor Stronghold Styling Gel. Yes, I said gel. So I'm finna test out the gel today and see how well it works, if it works as good as the Edge Control. So you first open it. This is where I realized I may have not got this right thing. It has like this little spoon here, and then when you pull it out, it is a jelly jiggly consistency. Okay, so I'm finna do like a slick back, especially because it's rainy outside today and my hair just has water on it. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. That's what I'm going for today. So I think I'm gonna just I never know what kind of part I want to do. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna start on the hard side first, which is going to be this side, because I'm gonna have to slick this down way more than the other side. I'm gonna split the back in half, and I'm going to tie this side away. Y'all know when I usually do my slick backs, I have to do like a parting process so that everything is perfectly slick. So I'm going to take this bang area and also tie this away for now. And I'm just going to do the gel, and it literally has like a jelly consistency. So I'm just gonna start slapping it on there like I normally would for a slick back. And once I get it where I want it, go in with my brush and start brushing down. Okay, so far so good. It's pretty slick. And I just tilted that light away so you guys could see it a little more, because that light was low-key blinding me. Okay, so first section down. Ouch. Now I'm going to part this next section here. I'm sorry if y'all are watching and my lighting keeps changing. This light is getting on my nerves, shining in my face, so I keep moving it. But y'all can still see me, that's all that matters. So next section, and I'm actually gonna pull from the crown of my head too and slick that down, because for me that section of my hair always wants to come up first. Okay, now slicking it. And I have the pineapple smell, so it literally smells like pineapple. Okay, Now I'm going to take this back section here and slick this down, and I just hope that my camera can get it together because it keeps unfocusing. Okay, return so y'all can see that it's pretty slick. Do section by section for this side. The other side you could just do one big section, but this side is very important because we need it to lay. Like lay all day. And I'm just combing it all back first, and then I'm gonna go in and do my swoops and stuff. But and I do want to let my little curly out. So here I'm just grabbing anything that can be possible edges, maybe a little bit more. Just so I can like swoop them where I want them to be. But as you can see, the rest of the ponytail is staying slick. But let me finish up and put the Style Factor gel around this side. And brush it down. Like so. And pull out my curly. And now I'm just bringing everything together into the pony and get this curly out. This one's long as heck. Let me see. I hate when my curlies aren't equivalent. I don't know if it's just me. This one's way longer than this one. Ooh. I'm just gonna keep slicking. And me, I don't like to put anything on the back of my ponytail. Like in the nape area, because I don't really like for my hair to be tight back there because it will literally bother me all day. So I don't really worry about back there. My ponytail is secured. And I'm just gonna go back in with a little bit of the Style Factor gel. Okay, I'm back. And I got my normal edge brush here. And once again, I'm still using the Style Factor. Just fixing those up and then swooping them in to the ponytail. And I'm using the comb to kind of separate it from the swoop underneath it. Like so. I want this one to look like a big swoop too. And I'm doing this because I don't normally just slick my hair over to the side. I always do some type of swoop or something. So this is like weird for me to not have like a swoop on my forehead. So okay, so the edges are pretty much done. I didn't really do anything else to the curlies because they kind of got some of the gel on there. The Style Factor Edge Booster Gel. I don't even know what to call this stuff. Style Factor Edge Booster Gel, I guess. So they kind of just doing their own thing. So I'm not gonna really mess with these like that. Just comb them through and let them do their thing. Yeah, so now that this is pretty much finished, I just want you guys to see how sleek my hair is looking. And I can honestly say that this is really like a gel, because you know sometimes they say stuff is a gel, and if you know how you put too much what is it called, I can't even talk, what is it, if you put too much, what's the name, edge control, your hair can start feeling like icky. This literally feels like I just slicked my hair back with Eco Styler, so that's a plus, because like I do not like that feeling of, you know, like I put a bunch of gook in my hair, and that's not what I'm getting from this. So that is exciting. And I just twisted my hair into one big twist, and then I wrapped it and then tied a scrunchie around it. So I have a bun. And like that's why I said I don't really mess with my hair back here, because it kind of just does its own thing anyway. This is basically it. Y'all wanted me to try out the Style Factor Edge Booster Gel, and that I did. This is gonna bother me. I'm gonna have to fix that. But first impressions are that this stuff is pretty banging, like, because my hair is slick, period. So if you guys go to your beauty supply stores and you end up seeing this, I say grab it. This is my actual second time trying this, and my hair being like super slick. But the first time I didn't do my whole head, I just kind of slicked up a little bun at the top and then had some hair out in the back, so I couldn't get like the full effect. But I just slicked down my whole hair with the Style Factor Edge Booster Gel. And this is also a quick natural hair fix, really quick, because your girl needs to go to class and my hair was looking a hot mess when I woke up this morning. Before I had actually wet it. But yeah, I love you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Mwah.
Mine, I bought it, it's 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 mine.